We're gonna use a Pso-Rite on the wall to get into our chest area here. What's nice about using a door frame, so we can be able to let our arm go all the way through the door frame and then be able to get some movement, more range of motion, more movement out of this arm. So then we can get even a better feeling, a better release in this muscle. And then the other thing that's nice too about having it up on the wall is not only the range of motion, but the type of pressure you're able to apply to the Pso-Rite when you're in this position. It's not as aggressive as when you're on the ground, so this is a nice progression to the ground. And so by pressing into this area, I'm pressing right here in this top part. And then now I'm just exploring with my arm, searching and finding. Once I find a spot, and stay, breathe 3 to 5 times. And then I'm going to start to change the relationship of the peak to my chest and my shoulder. And an area that can get really tender and can cause a lot of issues is this little line right here. That area can get stuck to the shoulder. This pec can get stuck to the shoulder and then cause a lot of issues in this front part of your shoulder. Clean that up. If you're still having issues, then start to explore to the other areas to see if that's what's causing the issue. Love doing it in the doorway here. With that range of motion, you can really get a nice release from those pecs.